Here we go. Goggles down, thumbs up. Arm your quads. Live on the tone. Less than 5. Aerial Link with the whole shot, pushing himself up around the step down flag. Sticks and Stones right behind him. But Aerial Link now taking a 3-gate lead, now a 2-gate lead as he works to the tower. Sticks and Stones right behind him through the dive gates. And Aerial Link getting a little mixed up in the middle of the course. Now it's a 1-gate deficit between first and second. And Don't Break sliding into the number 3 spot. He's only 2 gates back from 1 and 2 here for track position. Even though we're chasing that clock, that's what it's all about, chasing the clock. Getting the most amount of laps in the 2 minutes. And Aerial Link crashing out. So Sticks and Stones, your new leader. Working his way through the tower, about the midway point, about the 40-yard line to the home side. Towards the end zone, Don't Break. About 5 gates back behind him here on lap number 2. There's about 45 seconds remaining on the master race clock. Our 2 remaining pilots in the air on pace to break the top 16, even though Sticks and Stones is already in the top 16. Don't Break is now on pace to be about 10th. Sticks and Stones on pace to raise his bar a little bit. We're 90 seconds in, 30 seconds remaining. Sticks and Stones working on lap number 3 now with a 41 the last time around. Don't Break. It was a 44 and change the last time around. Both of them working on lap number 3. Lots of oohs and ahs. Everyone's okay. No one died. It landed inside the netting. And down to just 1, Sticks and Stones. Don't Break gets back up and loses video almost instantly. We got ready to wave a checkered flag. Well, the cold weather's not going to hold back the Floridian from the University of Central Florida. Sticks and Stones, 3 laps in 2:09. When it's all said and done,